Ngayong tapos na ang halalan, panahon na raw para tuparin ang mga pangako.
The real work starts now to prove to the people na hindi po sila nagkamali sa kanilang desisyon noong Mayo 9.
Sa 1st District ng Pangasinan, International Seaport ang itatayo.
So we also have the international seaport. So since the mayor there is not our ally, I also hope that he will cooperate with this project dahil hindi po pwedeng politika ng politika. So we'll extend peace to everyone for the sake of the province of Pangasinan.
Asahan naman daw ang pagkakaroon ng international airport sa pagitan ng bayan ng San Carlos City, Binmalay at Lingayen.
It's a good idea to have the international airport at the boundary of Lingayen, Binmalay, and San Carlos.
Maliban sa Binalonan, magkakaroon na rin ng karagdagang economic zone sa iba pang bayan ng Pangasinan. Kaya libo-libong Pangasinense ang mabibigyan ng trabaho.
After 1 year of campaign, we have 3 years to work on our campaign promises, which are big, no? Involving big ticket projects, involving computerization of the provincial capital and the provincial hospitals, improvement of our healthcare services in Pangasinan. Of course, we have to model ourselves as transparent, excellent leaders. We have to, we have to show good governance to the people who entrusted the province to us. The Pangasinan Eastern to Western Expressway, Mayor Cesar, no? That is one of the biggest and infrastructure projects that we really have to mount. Trabaho, more economic zones. We have to replicate what we did in the 5th District.
I take full responsibility for the development of East to West Expressway. Agriculture, we will launch the newly developed e-agro system to the entire province of Pangasinan.
Ayon kay Governor-elect Monmon Gico III, sakaling makumpleto mga naglalakihang proyekto ng Team Aguila, tiyak masisigla ang ekonomiya ng Pangasinan. Makakaasa raw ang bawat Pangasinense na lalaki pa nito ng mas malinis na pamamahala.